Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue to your favorite French class, Friendship with Sim. Today we're going to learn something very exciting. Any guesses? I'll tell you. Today we're going to learn how to say big numbers in French. I know we have learned how to say numbers in French, and this is the second part of the same video, how to say big numbers in French. And this is going to be a very exciting journey. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So we know the counting from 0 to 100. We know what is 0 called in French and what is 100 called in French because that is something that we have learned in the previous lesson. So today we're going to learn how to move forward with it. What is called 100, 200, 300 in French. So 100 is called as song in French. 200 is called as the song. 300 is called as trois song. 400 is called as quatre song. 500 is called as cinq song. 600 is called as six song. 700 is called as sept song. 800 is called as huit song. 900 is called as neuf song. And 1000 is called as mille. Similarly, 2000 is called as deux mille. 3000 is called as trois mille. 4000 is called as quatre mille. 5000 is called as cinq mille. 6000 is called as six mille. 7000 is called as sept mille. 8000 is called as huit mille. 9000 is called as neuf mille. And 10,000 is called as dix mille. As you can see, there is a pattern being followed in all the numbers as we go forward. Like we figured out 200 is called as the song and 2000 is called as the mille. This is the same pattern that is followed as we move forward with numbers. If you want to master this lesson, it is really important for you guys to master the previous numbers lesson that we had done. You can check out the link in the description box below if you want to master the previous numbers lesson in French. Moving forward, do you know what 1 lakh is called in French? 1 lakh is called as un million in French. It is easy to say a big number in French when it comes to like 2000, 3000, but how would we say a mixed number in French which is a big number? Suppose, as you can see the number on my screen, the number is 1923. How would you say this in French? I'll tell you. You would say this as 1923. This is how you would say a big number in French. You just have to combine all the numbers and say it all together. Let's practice another number over here. The number given on my screen is 2300. How would you say that in French? You would say 2300. Let's practice another big number so that we are through with this lesson. So the number given on my screen is 3748. How would we say this in French? You would say this as 3748. You would be thinking it is so easy for me to master it. Maybe I have just memorized it. No, I have not. I have mastered the numbers lesson. That is why it is very easy for me to say it in one flow. You can practice this lesson. You can take up big numbers, write them down if you cannot say it quickly. Write them down in a notebook and then say it. This will help you master big numbers in French. Let's pick up one final big number before we end this lesson. So this number is the current year that we are living in, that is 2022. How would you say that in French? You would say this as 2022. To practice this lesson and to master this lesson, you have to pick up big numbers just like I picked up. Pick the number of the year that you were born in, write that down in your notebook and then say it in front of a mirror. If you cannot say it right away or if you cannot write down, if you cannot memorize it, watch the previous lessons and then write them down, see it and then say it. This will help you master this lesson and it will be very easy for you to catch big numbers and say big numbers in French. Félicitations! We are through with how to say big numbers in French. I hope this lesson was really useful to you. If yes, don't forget to like this video, throw a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're updated with every new video that comes in. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Friendship with Sim. And I will see you in the next video. Au revoir!